Alright, in today's video we got another unboxing. This time it's from Sweets Kendamas. And if you can tell by the title, it is the Cooper Eddy Pro model. They released last year, but it was in sticky clear, so they finally released these mods in cushion clear like a few weeks ago. So I decided to get one and unbox it. Wrong one out. Got my knife. Let's unbox this. So here's what's inside the box. Got the receipt. Comes with some stickers. The NAKO that's going to be held online this year. And nothing else. So here we got the Cooper Eddy Pro model in cushion clear paint. And this is really nice. The designs on this kendama is amazing. Like the flames, they look so cool. And it even glows in the dark too, which is pretty cool. I don't think I've seen a kendama that can do that before. Alright, let's just get into this. First, let me show you the box actually. So it has his logo on the bottom that says Coop. On the side is picture of him, his signature. You can scan that to learn more about his pro model and himself. And then here's like basic information, social medias. And then here's a little more about himself if you want to read that. Yeah, super sick packaging. I like the logo too. It's a power logo, but to the side, so it spells out his initials, CE. Thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, so that's the box, and here's the kendama. That's nice. Alright, how many fingers is this? Should be around 6. Yep. That's the string length that I like. Man, this paint is really nice too, so smooth. Cushion clear is one of my favorite paints. On the tama, there's the flames. Super sick. On top, it's like measurements. He likes to make things. He likes to make crafts and bags, kendama holders, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And then the Ken got his signature, the classic spot for a signature, his logo right there, the Sweets logo, the other side, QR code if you want to scan to learn more about him and the kendama, 253, I think that's the area code of where he's from, Washington, I think, or Tacoma or something like that. And the bottom, more flames, where there's also a base cup hole to help with lunar balance even more. Yeah, that's pretty much the kendama. And this is maple, and I think this is all maple. No, maple and beach tama, I believe. I think. Yeah. Oh, and also, let's see, I forgot the string pack. There's some stickers in here too. It's comes with extra string and bearing bead, I'm guessing, and then some cool stickers. A nice big Sweets logo sticker, and then Coop Mod stickers, specifically for the Coop model. Really cool stickers. Yeah, that does it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you think of this kendama. And I'll see you guys in the next one.